The accuracy of the data is like vitally important for a company like Zoopla. I think we want to get as accurate data as possible. And for people who have the technical skills to actually shape the data, working alongside people who actually have the domain knowledge. So I think it's just like attacking the problem from like different perspectives and making sure we work collaboratively to ensure that we have not only accurate data, but relevant data.
Previously, we had multiple data sources, too many data sources, and it was quite difficult to kind of wrangle everything together. And now we have everything in one place, and it's easier for all of us to collaborate.
Definitely the value we have added now is around the trustworthiness of data and the centralization of them.
So we've got a couple of data sources. So we have the data that gets brought in via Fivetran, which connects all the different platforms into one place, and we can bring that all into BigQuery. The benefit of Fivetran is that each platform has its own like specific requirements on how to pull data. So if the API changes, we would have to manage redoing the API connection, whereas Fivetran does it all for you.
We've newly introduced a data modeling tool called dbt. So we use that to actually model the tables before bringing it into what we now have, which is a business data layer based off like trusted data.
Where dbt, I think, really like changes the game for us is that it essentially allows us to pull data from what we call the trusted data layer, and it allows like analysts and business users to run like integration tests, and we have much cleaner data because we're able to collaborate, and there's better documentation and things like that.
The way I'd like to see data progressing is almost that everyone becomes like a mini-analyst, where the data is accessible for them to kind of dive into the data, not into the granular data, but like aggregated, nice, clean data to really make insightful decisions and like make really intelligent, data-driven business decisions.